Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing an RC car race with the brand new RC car. As you can see, I have the new suit. He's going to be racing me today.
Yeah.
He's racing me.
We are
Hey, would you like a race suit? Would you like to race too?
I don't think he has voices enabled.
We're going to race.
Can you do me text to chat, lad?
Okay, 3, 2, wait, actually no, I have a better idea. Prepare. Go! I'm gonna lead. Here's Tony going to lead. Whoa. No, go. Come on. Race go. Race go. I'm almost there. Oh, whoa. Dang it, whoa. Race go. Come on. Race go. Come on, you can do it. No, you can't cheat. No, he's cheating. No, he's cheating. We're racing. Dang it. Go. Oh no, wait, no. Dang, alright. The camera did a little malfunction thing. You ran to redo the race. I had to redo the race. Now they can actually see through it, but we're gonna have to redo it. Ready?
Yeah.
Wait, actually, I'm gonna press the button. I'm gonna press the button. We're gonna make it. They're gonna make it. You're gonna make it. You're gonna make it. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, you can do it. Go. Go.
Oh no.
Go. Come on. You can go. Oh. Come on. But you can't do that. You can't cheat like that. We're gonna win! Guys, we're gonna win! We're gonna win! Yeah! We win!
Sabotage!
We win! We win! We win!
Oh yeah?
GG, man. Oh no, wait. No. Alright! Come on! And cut.